the whole time. He didn't wipe anything down. If you're going to go to the gym during this time, please wipe things down. Ew. I'm keeping that in there. Yes, I am. I'm keeping it in there. So today I'm going to the gym. I'm from Canada, and in Ontario they opened up stage 3, which means some gyms can open, and I booked an appointment and I'm going to the gym. Now I haven't been to the gym in 4 months. It's been a while, and I have been doing everything that I personally can for working out and for fitness, and I personally feel like okay with my body. Like, it's been 4 months, no gym, I moved, like there's been a lot going on. And I personally feel like I'm okay. Like, I'm good with my body. Am I as lean as before? No. Am I as muscular as before? No. But I feel okay. And I'm excited to go to the gym and see how everything is. And I wanted to take you along this process because I know that some of you may be struggling with your body. And I also know that a lot of you are probably curious about the gym, as am I. So I booked an appointment. I'm going today. You have an hour long, and apparently you're limited to like 40 people in there, and you have to wipe down equipment before and after. My game plan is to go in and just do arms. I have been having such a hard time with my ankle. It's nuts. I don't know what it is. I have a doctor's appointment coming up because my ankle has been really bad lately. It's been really swollen, really puffy. It is not nice. It's sore. So I've been doing the best I can for legs during these 4 months because of my ankle, and I think what I'm going to do this time is go to the gym and try and do biceps, triceps, and shoulders. That's kind of my goal. Obviously, I don't know how busy it's going to be. I don't know what other people are doing, but it's probably going to be more of an upper body workout for me. The other thing is I'm going in my gym clothing, so I don't have to change there. It's just one less thing that I have to do. I'm not bringing a water bottle in. I'm just going to keep it in the truck because I don't want to like touch something and then, you know, no, I'm not doing that. I'm really excited to go back. I mean, obviously there's some nerve there, like you want to make sure everything is clean and all that, but I'm excited to try, go back. And if I'm not comfortable with it, I can leave, or I can do the one session and then come home and try and make more of an at-home gym. I know that is something Owen and I are trying to do. We already have a treadmill, I have a really good yoga mat, and we're trying, well, I've got resistance bands and stuff like that. So the more fitness equipment we can get here, the better, because then we don't have to go to the gym. But nothing beats the gym because it has like everything there. Here's what I feel like happened. I was at a good point, like a very good point. And then I feel like I gained some weight and became like a little bit more like swollen and puffy. And I was like that for about a month and a half. And then I feel like my body slowly started to like lose the puffiness and like started to like let the water go and everything. And I'm at where I am now. That's how I feel like it went. I feel like it went in 3 stages, and it's kind of odd. But that's, I think, how your body works. So, yeah. So, I'm going to show you guys kind of like an update. And I do have a lot more cellulite now than I've had in a while. And I'm okay with it. Cellulite is not the enemy here. So, if you have cellulite, don't worry about it. Let's go to a physique update. So, here's my tummy. I'm definitely not as like lean and tight as I used to be. I did gain some right back here, but I feel like overall I'm okay. I definitely gained in my booty, like big time. I know I gained a lot there for sure because my pants don't fit as well. See, like I gained a bit here there, but that's okay. So I gained a little bit back here. My legs I haven't done much with because my ankle. My arms got a little weak. They did get a little weak, and that's the one thing. My arms are the one thing that are kind of bothering me the most. I just really liked how I looked before, and it's crazy because if you would have asked me 5 months ago if I was happy with how I looked, I would have told you no. I would have told you no. So I'm not going to start looking at my body in a negative way. Honestly, I've wanted to gain weight for years because I used to weigh 103 pounds. I couldn't tell you how much I weigh now, and I don't want to know. I don't care. You know, size extra small and smaller still fitting me well. I am still fitting in my gym clothes. I'm a little bit more curvier. I'm cool, I'm good. Well, I don't know if I'm cool, but I'm good. As long as you feel good, as long as you feel confident, that's all that matters. Seriously, we all went through a pandemic. We all went through hard times. You know, don't beat yourself up because something doesn't fit or you don't look the way you want to. And you know, at the end of the day, if it does bother you that you don't look a certain way or things don't fit you, then use that as motivation to do at-home workouts, to purchase a treadmill, to go and give your DOG a WALK more often. If I didn't say that, I'd be going for a WALK. Let's go to the gym. Ew. I'm keeping that in there. Yes, I am. I'm keeping it in there. It is later. I'm back from the gym. We went for 40 minutes and I did all upper body and it was pretty fun. The gym was so well distanced. They had many sanitizing stations. The employees were all good. I loved seeing that someone was coming to like clean everything. Everything was clean. My one thing, if you're going to go to the gym, wipe the equipment before and after. I was there and there were only about like 5 people. So myself, my boyfriend, and maybe 5 others. Like that's at the most. And this one guy never wiped down anything. Nothing. He wiped down nothing the whole time. He didn't wipe anything down. If you're going to go to the gym during this time, please wipe things down. That makes me very hesitant. I mean, I know I can at least like wipe my things down prior and after, but I am going to email the gym and just say like, hey, you know, I enjoyed it. You're doing really well. Like they even like made the sections a little bit smaller downstairs and I think spaced out the cardio machines, and then upstairs it's pretty well like distance and stuff. But I'm gonna just email them and say like, hey, you know, like can you try and make sure that your members are wiping things down, because like to me it only takes one person. That's it. It just takes one person. So if I go again and I see that, I'm not going again. For sure, I'm just not gonna go. If people are not gonna wipe their things down, I'm not gonna go. Like this guy literally went from like weights to weights to weights to weights, and then went to like cables, and then went to bars, wiped nothing down. And then he'd go get a drink, wipe his mouth with his hands, and then he would continue going and touching everything. So I literally stayed clear. Like the whole time I worked out, I was away from everybody. I didn't even work out around my boyfriend. I literally was like alone. So anyway, it was pretty good. I thought I'd take you along with me, and I thought I'd just let you know that I went back. Do I think I'm gonna go back? Probably yes, but if I see that people are not wiping things down, I probably won't. But I am gonna start making more of like a home gym here, just because it's not, it feels great and good to be back, but it just doesn't feel the same. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just me jumping on saying I'm going to the gym, and also that if you are feeling insecure about your body, I mean, we are all going through things right now. We are all on a journey, and you know, maybe it's time to just start doing some like at home, or like I want to go to yoga because of how they do it. It's like spaced out. You bring your own stuff. That's on you. I want to try yoga class. Anyway, Owen's out. I'm going to go shower, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.